health tips.
Never, ever play or handle fireworks. With fireworks, even being very careful isn't enough. Fireworks are just not safe. They can easily go off accidentally. Lots and lots of people are hurt from fireworks every year, and children account for more than half of all fireworks injuries. All fireworks can cause injuries, not just the ones that go bang or explode in the sky. Something that seems harmless, just like a sparkler, for example, it burns at 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit or 982 degrees Celsius, and that's hot enough to melt gold.